Hello teacher, this is my routine in the week. On weekdays, I get up at 6 a.m. Then I brush my teeth. Later, I prepare breakfast. At 7 a.m., I organize the children for virtual class. Then at 8 a.m., I take a shower and i- clean the house. At 9:30 a.m., I start working online. At 12 p.m., I have lunch with the children, and then I help them with their homework. Then I exercise at home, and at 5 p.m., I have a coffee and rest. After that, 6 p.m. I connect to my virtual class until 9 p.m. I finally go to sleep at 10:30 p.m. But on weekends I wake up later. I go with the children to the park. Then we go to have lunch at a restaurant. And on Sundays I watch movies, go to the mall, and eat ice cream. Bye, teacher.